Today, we will be discussing ABCDEF technique or simply ABCD technique in order to help early learners to multiply big numbers. This technique was designed by myself for you to multiply big numbers with confidence and proficiency.
Good day, IVFC kids! We all know the trick on 11 times 11. How about 112 times 113? Do you know how fast we could do the trick? That will be our lesson for today. We all know that 11 times 11 is equal to 121. And 110 times 110 is equal to 12,100. How about this multiple of 11? For you to understand it, we will factor 330. 3 times 11 times 10. Multiplied by 3 times 11 by 10. Product becomes 9, 121, and 100. 108,900. How about this number? We follow the ABCD technique except for some steps. Step 1. Multiply AD. 30 times 3 is equal to 90. Step 2. Find BC. 2 times 30 is equal to 60. 60 plus 90 is equal to 150. Step 3. Find BD. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 150 plus 6 is 156. 300 times 3 is 900. 900 plus 156 is equal to 1056. Step 5. 2 times 300 is equal to 600. 600 plus 1056 is equal to 1656. And now, let us solve the final step. 108,900 plus 1,656. What is the final answer? Final answer is 110,556. But how can you mentally solve this problem? Absolutely yes, we can make use of the Dagdag Bawas to solve this problem. 108,900 is 100 units away from 109,000. Let's add 109,000 plus 1,656 is equal to 110,656 minus 100 is equal to 110,556. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Inaanyayahan ko po ang mga batang Pilipino na mag-join sa free tutorial service. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.